So here is the demo for the design fabric info task. Here is our testing scenario. So this test scenario goes mainly for the fabrics and pop-ups for the fabrics when hovering on fabrics. So I'm going to fabrics. So hovering on the fabrics should show the main fabric. I'm in the fabric group with the colors, with the inventory, with the supplier. If I go to the list mode, I'm able to see the color of the fabric, its code and color information, and the same price. So the same should be in the designs page. So I go to the designs page. I open the any design. Okay, it's loading. I'm choosing the piece so that fabrics tab is enabled. So when I hovering on the fabrics, it's the same information, and in the list mode it also shows the color, the description of color, code, meters, price, and so on. So according to our testing scenario, task is completed.